Good news for you who wants to master hiragana. You can master hiragana by studying 10 or 30 minutes a day for 30 days with this HIRAGANA Master Course in 30 days. Do you have any of these concerns about learning hiragana? I want to start learning hiragana, but I don't know where to start. I'm studying hiragana by myself, but I'd like to study it comprehensively. I can't memorize hiragana, so I need teaching materials to practice over and over again. HIRAGANA Master Course in 30 days can solve all of those problems. This course allows you to learn hiragana comprehensively, so you can learn the basics firmly. There are plenty of opportunities to review the hiragana you have learned, so you can definitely memorize them. In addition to hiragana, you can learn many words that beginners should know, so they will be useful for your future Japanese studies. This course is designed for both learners who are new to Japanese and who are stuck learning hiragana. You can learn to read and write hiragana and eventually be able to read and write Japanese in sentences. HIRAGANA Master Course in 30 days is only $1 a day, which means you can learn it for $30 for a 30-day program. If you start this course until the end of February, you can use a coupon. Please check the description box for details on the coupons that can save up to half price. The number of coupons is limited, so the sooner you apply, the more you save. If you would like to try it, please visit my online school, Chocotto Japan Online School, from the link in the description box below this video and enroll in HIRAGANA Master Course in 30 days. You can also learn more about this course on the website if you are interested. Alright, I'll see you on the HIRAGANA Master Course!